नोटिफिकेशन नहीं दिख रहा है।
Yes,
हाँ,
now
now
it
it
has
is
started.
done. Now.
Yes. Yeah, actually, Shubha ma'am, I was coming to that only. जो आप कह रहे थे कि passive bullying, how does, मतलब, children are like just like small, you can say plants, or we have to nurture them with environment around us. So what I believe is that the first thing, first foremost thing is the environment at home, because I believe families do not actually realize that the behavior, what actually how we behave, is what children learn. It's a very small example that for example, like a mother or a wife in the household, a young bride, is asked around the house to do whatever the chores or anything, when she comes into the house, and she is not getting proper respect from the in-laws or the husband. Though it may not be conscious, but subconsciously, because अरे इसे क्या पता है, So when she has a child and the child is growing, okay, if the household is a very loving household, that's fine, everybody, but that little respect for the mother is missing, because in lot of families people think that ladies से क्वेश्चंस क्यों पूछने हैं, या उनको किसी डिसीजन मेकिंग उसमें क्यों इन्वॉल्व करना है. मे बी द मदर इन लॉ इज नाउ सिटिंग इन द डिस्कशन, but because obviously of now she's become at that stature or whatever, but she
Yeah.
feels कि अरे उसको तो कुछ नहीं पता है, she is just a young girl. So when the child sees that the mother is being, you know he doesn't realize कि मदर की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं हो रही. वो सोचता है कि दिस इज अ वेरी नेचुरल थिंग, कि अच्छा इनको क्या पता है. शी वुड नॉट नो, शी इज देयर टू लुक आफ्टर मी, शी लव्स मी, आई लव द मदर. बट
Correct.
इन द बैक ऑफ द माइंड वो एक जो रिस्पेक्ट है वो
Hmm.
नहीं है. तो वो चीज जब बच्चा सीखता है अननोइंगली, दैट इज अ वेरी बिग फैक्टर in children being growing as they grow, you know
Contributor.
So
Right.
I feel
Very,
the
very correct.
root cause is that, and sadly, nobody realizes this. वो तब realize होता है जब the boys have become older
Is
and
your
घर में वो environment है कि अरे मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे बच्चे या क्या है. But as parents we don't realize कि जब हम बच्चों को raise कर रहे थे तो उनके सामने हम दूसरों की बात नहीं सुन रहे थे.
very correct. Very good point. So,
Yeah.
इसमें Nilofer, would you like to add something? Because I will end this particular session, this thing segment
No,
with
ma'am,
my take on it.
I'm
So,
agreeing
Nilofer,
with
you
the
can
others'
come on board
point.
if you are there, or has she
No,
left?
ma'am, I'm agreeing with their points, ma'am. My
So,
points
would
are
you
same.
like, as a younger perspective, would you like to give, or a newer perspective would you like to give?
Ma'am, I have 2 points to tell here. First of all, I will appreciate myself, like I have to listen to my child. He has come and tell me कि क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ. तो मैं थोड़ा शांत रहूंगी, उसको सुनूंगी पहले. इवन तो मुझे बुरा लगेगा, फर्स्ट आई विल लिसन क्या हो रहा है, फिर उसके बाद आई विल ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट कि कैसे करना है. एंड दूसरा मैं ये सोचूंगी कि मतलब दूसरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट मुझे ये रहेगा कि गर्ल चाइल्ड से बात कर रही है या बॉय चाइल्ड से, तो उस हिसाब से थोड़ा मेरा अलग हो जाएगा अप्रोच उसके लिए. और बाकी सब तो आप लोगों ने बताया ही है, सही अच्छा है मैम. इट्स ओके मैम, वी कैन प्रोसीड.
Yeah,
आप
I would like
आप
to add a point here, as Ms. Purva ma'am also has said, कि अगर हम घर में we show empathy, we teach the children empathy. I think what is missing is empathy.
I'll come to that now.
Yeah.
I'll give a complete
Sure.
segment for empathy so that
Okay.
we
Yeah.
yeah, great. That's a great point. So there is one point which Nilofer made. I would like her to throw light more on the. You said girl or boy. What was that point? It's not very clear to me. Can you hear me, Nilofer? All right. So each one of your points was absolutely bang on, absolutely correct. I'm just drawing your attention to this situation which often occurs at home, which is that we all live in a society or and we are connected with people, right? Just see this. The situation is that when a house help for now, I'm the idea is that we all have house help and we are dependent on them as much as they are dependent on us. On most of the matters, we know that house helps can be quite not very reliable at times, and they can just go. But that in many houses are very, very loyal house helps. The way we communicate with our house helps, the way we stand with them during their troubled times. The child is observing all this. In my case, since I belong to the army fraternity, I learned the way my husband would stand with his buddy, who's a Jawan. And during these difficult times, although I would always feel he's so strict, he's so, he's just not, वो कहते हैं ना कि वो लकीर का फकीर, बिल्कुल जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है वो इधर से इधर नहीं हो सकता. I used to feel why when I was younger, when I was in Lofer's age, I used to feel why. I mean, come on, he's also human. But those were the rules and regulations of Forge. But what I realized is my husband was so empathetic, which Sharmili ma'am brought, when it came to his personal life. He would go to his village with him. If his father, like when he was coming down from Chutti, he would meet his father and come. Because that Jawan's life is in my husband's hand. That was the motive and motto given by the defense. Now, this is not possible always in civil, because people go, people come. But if our mind is like that we trust, we invest in those people, house help, and we talk to them properly, we give them respect, out of 10 times, 4 times, that house help will respect us and give it back the same loyalty to us. 6 times maybe she will or he will not, but 4 times she will. Those 4 times our child is watching us. That A went, A plus came back. A plus went, A came back. This, what the child is seeing and observing, trust me, is extremely important. Actually, what is happening is more than active learning, passive learning is important. And as you rightly said, when there is negativity going, he's learning negativity or she's learning negativity. And when there is positivity conversation going, it's not possible to be positive all the time. I can't keep telling me you're the best, you're my hero. But all those time when I'm telling him or her, that will be observed by the child. So that's very important. Yeah, my next question would be, I'll now start with Sharmili ma'am. What is the role of empathy? How important is teaching empathy? So let's throw light on that, Sharmili ma'am.
Yeah. According to me, that is the most important thing any individual should know, that is empathy. So when you say empathize, it is like we putting yourself in another's shoe. तो अगर घर में भी जैसे passive learning is happening, if the father is empathetic towards mother, yeah, she's tired, so he knows that she's tired, so okay, he does little chores of the house. So the child is watching all that, तो उनको पता है कि ये empathy मतलब कि हाँ, and whatever, be mindful when you're talking, what words are you using, कि मैंने ऐसा बोला, तो this is the effects going to happen. So the father and the mother, they both are very cautious about what words they're using, they're mindful. So the child has learned, yes, ऐसे बोलने से ऐसा होता है, ऐसे बोलने से ऐसा होता है, तो we should be very mindful. So those empathy, behavior के लिए, or the language that they're using, मतलब basically सहानुभूति for the others, putting yourself in another's shoes. If the child, we have to model it. तो अगर empathy अगर हमने दिखाई, kindness, if we had shown, as you also spoke about, little kindness that we showed to the house help, eventually they will also learn it, and because they also modeling it, they'll learn it. तो ये अगर हम घर में करेंगे तो बच्चा भी वो मॉडल करेगा, then there's no question कि वो बाहर जाके unempathetic होगा. He will definitely turn to be empathetic. He will never bully. So that is too important, which we're missing at home, I feel. We give them a lot of luxury, we give them everything, but these are the values we are not teaching them, अगर house help है, the mother probably not talking well with the house help, ये ऐसे कर लो वैसे कर लो, तो child has seen that, ये तो चलो हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, हम ऐसे काम करवा सकते हैं, तो वही जाके घर में ना करे because of discipline, डर के मारे he might not show that behavior at home. At home, many kids, they're very goody at home because of the discipline, and the parents are very happy. My child is the best child. But they do not know once they're outside how they're behaving. But they will always mirror what is happening at home, as I think Ms. Purva ma'am also said. ये कहीं ना कहीं घर में कहीं ना कहीं हो रहा है, maybe not with the parents या in-laws हैं, कुछ तो घर में ही हो रहा है. The child has put in his subconscious level, which is depicting outside.
Yeah, really.
So I feel empathy तो घर में से we have to start.
Yeah.
This is what I feel.
Great point. Purva ma'am, please kindly go ahead.
Yeah, when we are talking about empathy, I want to put it together with the point that you had talked about the house helps. So, I just want to give my own example. So, I was a young bride, and we have a very large extended family. But in our household, it was my father-in-law, me, and my husband. So, I really didn't know the ways of the household and everything. So, I just kept on learning from others, and we were going forward. So, like, um, it's like almost 15 years old thing I want to tell. So touchwood, I have my house helps are like they are 20 years old with me. Like when I got married and they are still here with us. So one day a lady walks up to my house, I don't know her. She lived in our colony, but I didn't know her. So she comes up and she tells me that, hi, so are you Purva? I said, yes, ma'am. So she's like, I really wanted to meet you. So as I called her in and whatever. So the lady who used to clean my house was there at that time. So, that lady who had come to visit me, she said, I was so curious to meet you. I said, but yeah, that's nice. But why I just wanted to ask why. So she's like, every time, Geeta, like, we have so I came to know that we have the common house help. She's like, every time she comes and, anything happens and she'll be just praising you. So कहती, I wanted to come and see कि ये कौन है जिसको वो इतनी हर बात पे बोलती है कि वो तो ऐसे करती हैं भाभी, वो ऐसे नहीं करने देती हैं. So, then I really felt nice, and then I asked my house help कि ऐसा मैंने क्या किया गीता कि तू जाके बोलती है. Then she's like कि भाभी, so my son was like 4 years old at that time. So she says कि the way you tell your child to behave with us, but in no household the children respect us the way your child respects us.
True.
So he says kuch bhi hoga, and he'll be very respectful. And if she scolds my child, I would never go and tell her कि तूने मेरे बच्चे को क्यों डांटा. I was always tell my son कि आपने क्या गलत किया कि दीदी ने आपको कुछ बोला. So so that thing just always brings a very happy and a very contentment in my life.
Very true.
So, and I believe maybe that is why how my children are now is because of that sense of respect for everybody.
So then what I brought out the point is completely justified, that it stands, test of this thing time, that it's how everything then becomes is your stimuli. हमने अगर आपने बीएड किया होगा तो स्टिमुलाई एंड रिस्पॉन्स का एक चैप्टर भी उन दोनों में होता था, अभी तो मुझे नहीं मालूम, कि अगर आपका स्टिमुलस ठीक है तो आपका रिस्पॉन्ड भी ठीक रहेगा. स्टिमुलस ठीक नहीं है तो रिएक्शन ही आएंगे, response नहीं आएगा. Pushpa ma'am, I want one activity to teach empathy to our children. May I pick up my cup of coffee just lying here next to
Yeah, sure.
That's it. Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah. So, according to me, to build empathy, two things can be done. One is role play and another is storytelling. So role play, to as Purva ma'am and Sharmili ma'am already told, given good examples कि उनकी house help ने उनको देखा किस तरह से वो behave करते हैं, अपने house help के साथ वो कैसे behave करते हैं बच्चे ने देखा, तो बच्चा is also doing the same. So storytelling also we can use for building empathy in our children. तो storytelling में आप किसी तरह से अपनी real life example बता सकते हैं बच्चों को कि किस तरह से उन्होंने किसी जरूरतमंद को हेल्प किया, किसी नीडी को हेल्प किया, या बच्चे आपको जो भी घर पे एक्टिविटीज पेरेंट्स करते हैं तो दे आर कीनली ऑब्जर्विंग. आप किसी नीडी को हेल्प कर रहे हो, यू आर डोनेटिंग समथिंग, कुछ दान दे रहे हो, कोई गरीब घर पे आया तो खाना खिलाया, या कोई गेस्ट आर कमिंग एट होम, यू आर सर्विंग सो वेल टू देम, यू आर वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल फॉर देम. एंड आपस में फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी आप बहुत अच्छे से ट्रीट करते हो. अपने घर में जो बुजुर्ग हैं, जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, उनको how mother is treating the grandparents. So that also child is observing very keenly. So how the husband wife are behaving in front of children, and how the parents are behaving with the grandparents. So these all things, this is role model. They are learning from the role modeling. कैसे आप अपने घर के बुजुर्गों के साथ आप बिहेव कर रहे हो, कैसे आपस में बिहेव कर रहे हो. अगर कभी मदर थकी हुई है तो फादर इज हेल्पिंग मदर, या किचन में कुछ हेल्प कर दिया. मदर इज गोइंग टू जॉब, तो खाना मदर ने बनाया तो फटाफट फादर ने पैक कर दिया. या चिल्ड्रन को जब तैयार कर रहे हो तो आप फादर इज हेल्पिंग इन बाथिंग एंड ऑल.
Great, Nilofer. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah. Points. Yeah.
And how the means we as parents, grandparents को कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं इन ओल्ड एज में. उनको टाइम प्रॉपर उनके साथ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, उनके हाल चाल पूछ रहे हैं, उनको प्रॉपर अटेंशन दे रहे हैं. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स चिल्ड्रन आर वॉचिंग अस कि कितना हम केयर कर रहे हैं. तो फ्रॉम दिस रोल मॉडलिंग द चाइल्ड इज लर्निंग बाय us. And by storytelling also we can teach them empathy. कैसे नीडी को कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं, किसी गऊ को चारा डालाए, किसी अनाथ आश्रम में कुछ डोनेट कर दिया. बर्थडे है तो बच्चे का, तो ये नहीं कि बर्थडे है तो केक सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, पार्टी कर रहे हैं घर में. नहीं, बच्चे का बर्थडे है तो पेरेंट्स कैन गो टू द अनाथ आश्रम, डोनेट समथिंग, सम फूड. अनाथ आश्रम के बच्चों को कुछ खिला दिया. उसको बच्चे को पता होना चाहिए कि आपका बर्थडे मनाने का एक ये तरीका भी हो सकता है कि हम तो वहां अनाथ आश्रम के बच्चों को पार्टी करवा रहे हैं, उधर उनको कुछ खाने के लिए ऑफर कर रहे हैं, कुछ बुक्स डोनेट कर दी. अपना बर्थडे है, कुछ एनिवर्सरी है, तो बच्चे को भी साथ में लेके गए.
So you're actually gone into the compassion mode. One is empathy, and you actually, yeah, no, that's fine. It's perfectly all right. It's a beautiful way which you have bridged empathy to compassion, and it's perfectly all right. And why not? Why not? It's a great. So yeah.
तो बच्चों को मतलब वी कैन स्टोरी टेलिंग के थ्रू बता सकते हैं कि मतलब दूसरा कोई दर्द में है, कुछ किसी को कोई पेन है, तो हाउ यू कैन फील. अगर आपको कुछ आपके साथ ऐसा हो तो आपको कैसा फील होगा. और समटाइम्स अगर बच्चा कुछ रूड बिहेव करता है किसी के साथ भी, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कुछ गलत कराया, या नेबर्स के साथ या रिलेटिव्स के साथ कुछ गलत तरीके से ही इज स्पीकिंग समथिंग, तो आप वी कैन टेल द चाइल्ड कि बेटा अगर आपके साथ ऐसा हो तो वो आपको ऐसा बोले तो आपको कैसा लगेगा. तो इस तरह से स्टोरी टेलिंग के उसमें हम वी कैन टेल अवर चाइल्ड कि इस तरह से हम एम्पैथी उनको सिखा सकते हैं, रोल मॉडल से और रोल प्ले से और साथ में स्टोरी टेलिंग से.
जैसे मैम ने बोला कि रोल प्ले और स्टोरी टेलिंग बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली. मुझे since ma'am gave generally in coaching we don't give personal experience, but we are not coaching each other, we are interacting with each other and learning, so that when people watch our podcast or whatever that is called interactive session, and if they can learn a few things, why not. It's a beautiful point which I want to share with you all. My dad was no more about 92. He was a very funny man and very funny, and there are 2 points, he would just show as if unko ठोकर लगी है, and he was like, oh, and he'll hold his leg. And we were younger, we were about between 8 to 12 or 6 to 12, and whoever would run to father first and he'll say, she is more empathetic than you are, she came running first. This became a joke because we knew that he's not hurt, and my mom would always say कि जब सच्ची में चोट, वो भेड़िया वाला स्टोरी हो जाएगा कि जब सच्ची में चोट लगेगी तो कोई भी बच्चा भाग के नहीं आएगा. पर हर एक लेवल में हमने लर्न किया उनसे कि हमने कैसे रिएक्ट करना है. हमने 2 चीजें उनसे लर्न की कि घर में मेल मेंबर्स जनरली लेसर एम्पैथेटिक होते हैं क्योंकि उनके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें नहीं सिखाया होता है कि आपको एम्पैथेटिक होना है. सो व्हेन द वाइफ इज हैविंग से स्टमक एक फॉर वेरियस रीजन और बैक एक, इसे तुम्हारा ये रोज का रोना है, तुम्हें हर महीने ये होता है. जनरली यही लैंग्वेज यूज की जाती थी, राइट? आई एम श्योर यू ऑल एग्री विद मी.
या
क्यों? क्योंकि वो उनको नहीं हो रहा है ना. जब तक आप उसको फील नहीं करोगे आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वो दर्द क्या है. जब आप उस दर्द को फील करोगे तभी तो आपको एम्पैथी आएगा ना। अगर वो भगवान ने आपको वो सिचुएशन नहीं दिया, इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है कि आप लर्न नहीं करोगे। इसका मतलब ये हुआ आपको अपने दिमाग को, भगवान ने आपको दिमाग दिया, गॉड हैज नेचर हैज गिवन यू, भगवान मीन्स नेचर फ्रॉम माय साइड हैज गिवन यू माइंड। द माइंड हैज टू वर्क इन सच अ सिचुएशन दैट if X person is hurt emotionally or physically, I need to feel it. I may not be going through, and that's where empathy comes in. And empathy teaches us to be compassionate. So compassion is more doing, and empathy is more feeling. I hope my point of view, you agree with me.
Yes, very true,
Absolutely.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Very true.
Another thing I'll tell you, my mom was and again I'm giving you an example, and please you can all tell me, ki ma'am, both of your examples, but I think you'll like it. My parents
Interesting
were very,
examples.
my mom was an orphan. She was brought up by her brothers, and she was she is a very smart lady, but practically uneducated, but gifted by God for music, dance, and other things. And I, she was devoted as like all other moms, but my dad would always have that empathy that she was not having a parent. She could not go back to her in Nanihal or Maika. She had to only go to her Sasral, and he made sure that Sasral became her Maika. And I'm talking about 1950s. 54, they got married. This is the vision of a man. So you can see then how his father would have contributed into it, or his mother. He would buy mangoes in summers, and he would take the best mango out of the lot, and he will say, "Ye koi nahi khayega, ye amma ke liye hai." She works throughout the day, 365 days, and mango is her favorite. This she will have, we will watch, and then we will eat. This was never happening. I've never seen in any, family. And we used to find it, and we used to call him Lattu Ram. We used to call him Lattu Ram because we used to find him totally dedicated to my mom, Then when I grew up, I realized what a fantastic man he was. He actually taught us that my mother doesn't have a family to go that extra mile for her. And the family that she created, if does not invest in her and does not treat her well, she has no one. If we also think like that, and if our family also thinks, and small things if we do for our children, I don't see any reason why there would be bullies in school, and why would Ron become a Ron or Shiva become a Shiva. Anyway, and the next point is, and I'll start with, again, ma'am, Sharmili ma'am. I hope this point of mine resonated with you all.
Yes, exactly. I totally agree with what you're saying.
Because all your points have been resonating with me completely. We talk about self-regulation, and even in our learning, we have learned a lot in parent coaching about self-regulation. There's a child who's just about to turn into a bully, and the parent has to work on his self-regulation. Now, there's 2 points in this, ma'am. The child has become a bully. There is a backstory. Why is he become a bully? आपने वो पकड़ लिया, आप उसको ठीक कर रहे हैं सिचुएशन में. सेकेंडली, आप उसके इस सिचुएशन से जब इंट्रोस्पेक्शन हो चुका है, आप उसको कैसे सेल्फ रेगुलेशन सिखाएंगे? शर्मिली मैम.
आई थिंक जिसको रियलाइजेशन आ चुका है बच्चे को कि ही इज अ बुली, उसकी बैक स्टोरी तो ना वी नो, बिकॉज बैक स्टोरी पे वर्क करना दैट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस व्हिच वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डे वन. पर आई थिंक उसको रियलाइजेशन दिलाने के बाद में मे बी वी कैन हैव अ वेरी गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन कि आपने जो ये किया है आपके साथ में आपने तो हंसी कर दी, यू जस्ट कॉल नेम कॉलिंग कर दी, उसको काला बोला, मोटा बोला, जो भी बोला है व्हाटएवर. अब वो एवरी किड टेक्स इट डिफरेंटली. अब उस बच्चे को जो आपने ऐसा किया उसको, बिकॉज इसको मे बी इसको रियलाइजेशन ही नहीं कि इसका असर क्या होगा. बिकॉज एक्चुअली हैं सारे बच्चे, whatever is happening is the kids are kids. They do not know. They're not the villains of this thing. कि हाँ, as you said, I also believe in that कि इन्हीं को हमें बदलना है. Because ये villain बना के थोड़ी they're going to be there like that for lifetime. Because they're kids. We have to nurture them back to the normal life. So maybe realization after having a very good conversation, देखो आपने ऐसा कहा, तो आपने ऐसे कहने पर उस बच्चे का he took it differently. He is very sensitive child. तो उसका he became quiet. He became withdrawn. अभी वो देखो he's giving up on his studies. You can see he's changing. Can't you see some changes happening to him? So yeah, उसको realization लाना पड़ेगा कि whatever you said is affecting the child so much, so उसका असर कुछ अलग हो रहा है. So ना maybe so that we can start with that. और फिर then ध्यान देते हुए कि whenever whatever is WhatsApp इसको ध्यान दो, then you can just talk, say बेटा now be careful. Now since you've done whatever damage has been done, now let's start making it better. You know, go and say sorry. Now make that child your best friend. Get him into your gang. Make sure that all your other bully friends also going to change now. उनको भी changes ले आओ. That is how my child has to be. You know, because my child cannot make other child suffer. Right? तो उससे करते करते maybe those emotional conversations where realization comes, जहाँ empathy, compassion, maybe a lot of things come into it. The child realizes, and each day we start working on it. बेटा आपने ये किया, now let us start try to make it better. तो maybe observe करके कि now this is what you have done. But पहले बच्चे ने बताया, that was a big thing. Maybe kids don't tell you, but yeah, you get to know from certain people. और first वो confront करो कि बेटा आपने ऐसे किया है. तो जब वो बोल देता है ऐसे किया, तब we should not overreact, and then say let's work as a team and let's start changing whatever damage has been done, because damage को भी हम control कर सकते हैं. So maybe we can work as a team and try to change it along with the child. In this process, maybe a bully wala bacha also realizes ki what he has done it, and he changes for for better.
Great.
That's what I
Great.
feel.
Pushpa ma'am, anything you would like to say?
Yes, ma'am. For self-regulation, we can teach our child कि how to handle the emotions. कभी उसको jealousy feel हो रही है, anger feel हो रही है, frustration feel हो रही है. तो these emotions should be, we should teach our child to handle these emotions well. तो हम कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज बच्चे को सिखा सकते हैं कि जब उसको गुस्सा आए, एंगर आए, तो स्माइली बॉल्स ही कैन स्क्वीज इन हिज हैंड्स, एंड ही कैन डू द डीप ब्रीदिंग, और ही कैन डू द माइंडफुल एक्टिविटी. जब उसको इस तरह से एंगर फील हो रहा है तो ठंडा पानी पी ले, डीप ब्रीदिंग कर ले. तो उसको, क्योंकि उसको रियलाइजेशन खुद को हो चुका है कि उसको बुली बनने से रोकना है खुद को, तो पेरेंट्स कैन टीच दिस एक्टिविटीज कि जब गुस्सा आए, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आए, तो यू टेक द स्माइली बॉल्स एंड स्क्वीज इन योर हैंड, और डीप ब्रीदिंग कर ले. और फिर साथ में कुछ और हम उनको अपनी इमोशंस को रेगुलेट करने का सिखा सकते हैं कि लाइक जर्नलिंग बता सकते हैं कि जो भी एक्टिविटीज दिन भर में हुई है, जिस वजह से आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन फील हो रहा है, जस्ट राइट योर थॉट्स. और वो थॉट्स जो मतलब 6 क्लास से बड़ा बच्चा है तो ही कैन इजीली डू दिस. अपने थॉट्स उसने जर्नलिंग में किए, और उसमें जो नेगेटिव चीज है तो उसको पहले तो नॉर्मल जो थॉट्स है वो लिख ले, अगेन रीड इट, और उसमें क्या उस चीज को कैसे पॉजिटिवली कर सकते हो. कोई चीज उसको अपने फ्रेंड की या जो जिसको वो बुली कर रहा है उसके बारे में कोई चीज हर्ट हुई है, कोई बुरा फील हुआ है, तो उस लाइन को फिर कट करे और ऊपर उसको पॉजिटिव उसका लाइन लिखे कि इसको पॉजिटिव तरीके से वो कैसे कर सकता है. तो दिस वे जर्नलिंग विल हेल्प हिम. अगर वो नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव थॉट हो जाता है तो इट्स ओके, और अगर वो नहीं थॉट पॉजिटिव हो रहा है तो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट. मतलब वो जर्नलिंग का पूरा प्रॉपरली निकाले कि उसमें क्या एक्शन ले सकते हैं, वो नेक्स्ट पेज पे लिखे, और अगर वो चेंज नहीं हो सकता एक्शन लेने से भी, देन ही हैज टू एक्सेप्ट. तो जर्नलिंग हम सिखाएं, डीप ब्रीदिंग वी कैन टीच देम, and for the squeezing the for frustration and anger he can squeeze the smiley balls. And for jealousy also, jealousy में हम ये सिखा सकते हैं बच्चे को, we can teach कि मतलब जिस वजह से जेलसी उसको फील हो रही है, तो वी कैन वहां पर उसको एम्पथाइज करे वो चीज कि मतलब किसी अगर कोई बढ़ रहा है तो उसकी ग्रोथ में हमें हैप्पी होना चाहिए कि कल को हमारे लिए भी हमारी ग्रोथ में कोई हेल्प होगा, कोई हैप्पी होगा, तो हमें भी दूसरों की को ऊपर बढ़ते देख के हैप्पी फील करना चाहिए. तो ये नहीं कि वो आगे बढ़ रहा है तो हम जेलिसी फील करें. तो अगर आप ग्रेटिट्यूड उसको साथ में सिखाते हैं, तो ग्रेटिट्यूड ऑल्सो, अगर ग्रेटिट्यूड की सिचुएशन में रहते हैं तो दैट इज द हाईएस्ट स्टेट ऑफ मोशन. तो हमें बच्चे को थोड़ा सा ग्रेटिट्यूड भी सिखाना चाहिए कि जेलसी ना करेगा वो, और जो चीजें आपके पास हैं उनके लिए थैंक बोलना, ग्रेटिट्यूड करना, डायरी जर्नलिंग करना, स्माइली बॉल्स को स्क्वीज करना, और अपने मतलब डीप ब्रीदिंग करना, और जब गुस्सा फील हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन फील हो रहा है, तो हैव अ कोल्ड ग्लास ऑफ कोल्ड वाटर. तो दीज थिंग्स वी कैन टीच आवर चिल्ड्रन टू रेगुलेट द इमोशंस वेल.
Great. Excellent. Excellent. Purva ma'am, anything?
Yeah, actually, I really like what Pushpa ma'am has just said about journaling. Yeah, because it is very important to realize that what went wrong and where did it go wrong. So when you encourage the child to write about it, maybe then the child can come back to it and think it in a different perspective. Because कई चीज आप करते हो और बोलते हो उससे ज्यादा when you read about it कि आपने ये क्या किया है, so I think it gets a bigger impact on the child rather than a parent telling them कि बेटा ये आपने गलत किया, this is where you went wrong, and so I think journaling would help. And one more thing I can add here is that we can teach the child to do a mirror talk, every day in the morning, stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself that, yes, now because I've realized that I've been a bully, now I have to be kind. And every day in the morning, before stepping out of the house, the child should, repeat it to himself, it's herself, whoever, ki today I choose to be kind. Today I choose to be understanding towards my friends or not my friends, and everybody. So I think that little exercise would just keep on, going in their back of the mind the whole day whenever they are going to do. Because see, bullying is a habit. The child was not doing it knowingly, that was coming to him unknowingly. So if in the morning he resolves that today I have to be kind, maybe when he gets into that situation in the school where automatically he would have been a bully, that at that point of time it will resonate in his mind that no, I don't have to do this activity or I don't have to behave this way, and maybe that would put a stop on his behavior.
Absolutely correct point. And in this, as I was listening to you all, my point came out is that, and I have 2 points in this, and that maybe I'll have to close it, is that one, faith, and I'm not talking from religious point of view, I'm talking from the point of view of having faith in the bigger Lord, bigger thought is very important. When we as a family pray, and we pray without understanding the prayer, then the child is actually not learning anything from it. हमने दिया जलाया या हमने गुरुद्वारे में गए या मस्जिद में गए, चर्च में गए, और हम वो कर रहे हैं जो हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें सिखाया है.
Yes, true.
पर क्या हमने वो समझा, क्या हमने वो जाना, उससे हमें क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? What is it that my faith has helped me to become? Has it made me a better person? Of course, in my opinion, my faith has made me a better person because I have understood that if I do something wrong, I'll go in the night and I'll say, I'm sorry, I did this. And because all of us do it. In my workplace, I've been such a bully of a principal, But at the end of the day, I would always go and I'll go to after 3 days also sometimes. It is not always possible to say sorry to my people who are reporting to me because maybe their maturity level is not there, or maybe my maturity level is not there. But somewhere I have to say sorry for what wrong I have done to them. I have to have a faith in front of me where I can go and say, I'm so sorry, I did it. And I know I have done it. I know I face it. Please help me not to do it again. And let me do another mistake, but not the same one. If that realization, a parent keeps doing it at home, the child sees and learns. Like simple सी बात है, अगर आपके घर में दूध उबल जाता है ना, तो कभी भी मदर, मैं भी इंक्लूडिंग, मैं ये नहीं बोलती मेरी गलती के कारण हुआ है, मैं ऐसी 10 गलतियां निकाल सकती हूँ जो दूसरों की है जिसके कारण दूध उबल गया है. वो मेरी कभी गलती नहीं होगी, whereas वो एक्चुअली गलती मेरी थी, मैं माइंडफुल नहीं थी. If I accept that I'm wrong in front of my child from time to time, the child will learn it. And then the child will go and practice it. So before the child is being to आप लड़ाई करते वक्त अगर उसके फ्रेंड ने किसी ने बोला आपने ये गलत किया, तो चाइल्ड विल से, मारने से पहले सोचेगा शायद मैंने ये किया है, और फिर मारने के बाद भी उसको सॉरी इजीली बोलना आएगा और वो रियलाइज करेगा. I think these are the 2 points which I wanted to share in this thing. I think I am already 11:55. We have only 5 minutes more. In the next 1 week, I thought we have finished with stress busters and all that pre-exams. Post-exam result stress busters is awaiting our children. I'm already giving you a topic, and I will also send some questions. I will also urge our group to become bigger so that because we are actually coming out with lovely point of views, and this will really help people. And if it is okay with you, shall I go next Tuesday or Wednesday, whichever day is fine with you all, with how to tackle stress post exams of the results?
Sure.
Okay. And I'll make it. I'll make a flyer and I'll share it. And maybe if you can, in your groups, you can, influence people to join. It'll be nice. Again, at the end, I would like to thank all 3 attendees: Pushpa ma'am, Sharmili ma'am, and Purva ma'am, and Cynthia, and Nilofer ma'am. Great time. You've given me so much time. Wonderful learning for me, and love you all. And may our vision.
It was a pleasure to be part of the discussion, ma'am.
Yeah, really, we enjoyed this discussion.
So I'll stop the recording now.
Yeah.